Let's take a look at the ingredients. I have some finely chopped cabbage, about 1 cup, 1 onion which I have sliced like this, sliced and then done half. I have about half a cup of besan, which is gram flour. I have 1/4 cup of corn flour. I have some finely chopped mint leaves. You can also skip this if you don't have mint leaves with you, but this adds a good flavor. I have some chopped coriander leaves, a little more in quantity. I have 2 to 3 green chilies which I have finely chopped. In spices, we have salt as per taste. I have 1 spoon of red chili powder, half a spoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi. I have 1 spoon of chaat masala powder. I have about 2 pinches of baking soda. I have 1 spoon of pav bhaji masala. Yes, I'm using the ready pav bhaji masala here. You can skip if you don't have this, but if you add this, it will give a really nice taste to this recipe. I have coriander powder 1 spoon, that is dhania powder. I have garam masala about 1/4 teaspoon. Let's begin the recipe. So here I'm going to take a mixing bowl. I'll add in all the ingredients. I'm adding in the cabbage, onions, green chili, mint leaves, coriander leaves, corn flour powder. I'm adding besan to this. And I'm going to add all these spices and soda in this. It's very easy. I've put in all the ingredients that I had showed you. Now I'm just going to mix all of this without adding water. Yes, you need to just mix all of this without adding water first, and then adjust the consistency as per water, because we've added salt. Maybe the vegetable will leave a little of water, and then we don't want it to become too thin. So I'm just going to mix all of this. This is how it's become. So I'm just adding little water at a time, and I'm going to give this a mix with my hands only. This is how it should be. It shouldn't really be like very watery. Just for binding all of this, we have added besan and corn flour. We just have to heat some oil in a pan now and start frying this. So I've heated some oil in the pan. Let's begin to fry this. Just grease your palms with some oil, and you can give it the desired shape you want to. I'm just going to make a little small roll kind of thing out of this, and I'm going to fry them. You can give it the shape that you want. You can also just put in with the help of a spoon if you want to. Just gonna make it like this. Ensure you bind these and press this a little before you put it in the oil, because like unusually we are not added too much besan and made like a paste of this, so this may split in the oil somewhat like this, and then we're going to put it in the oil. I'm going to quickly make all of these. Here. Please add it in small batches. Don't be in a hurry to add too many of them, because then they'll end up sticking to each other. Also, don't be in a rush to flip them over, because we've time and again I'm reminding you, we've not added as much besan like we do usually for the pakodas that we make. So there's very little binding component and more of cabbage in this. So if you're in a hurry to just flip this, it may just splitter and it'll be all over the oil. So just wait for it to turn golden from one side, and then like this, and then you can flip this over. This is how the other side should be before you flip it. Now I'm going to slowly cook it on medium flame, so that it's well cooked from inside as well. This is nice and done from both the sides, and I'm going to remove it off in a plate. I'm quickly going to fry the rest half as well. I have put in my second batch also. Also, for the beginners who are doing this for the first time, and also people who have recently started cooking, I would recommend you to just fry one or two first and just check on the salt and spice, and then you can maybe put in the batches. You can adjust in the rest of the mixture and then put in the batches. It's a quick evening snack, guys. I hope you like this. These are also done. Let me take them out. Let's plate this now. So I'm simply going to serve this with ketchup. You can also go ahead and serve this with mint chutney if you want. Nothing but the least, you can just have them without them also. Hope you love this recipe. This is one of my favorite evening snack, which is like takes 2 minutes to get ready. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment if you like the recipe. See you soon next time.